Howdy ho, guys and gals, it's Red, your friendly neighborhood tool bear, back again here in the old den of tools. And today we have got some deals for you from some Black Friday deals from Skil. Oh yeah, they're blowing out all sorts of stuff over there. So let's go and talk about it. They got all sorts of, we got corded, we got cordless, we got all sorts of stuff in the Skil lineup. Now real quick, I know a lot of you know who Skil is, but if not, they're made by Shervan, okay? Now Shervan's the same people who make Ego, the premier, like the top of the line Cadillac of outdoor cordless power equipment. We've got the Flex tools. They also make that. The new stuff over at Lowe's, the Flex 24 volt, which is throwing, the whole tool world in a loop there. They also make the Cobalt power tools over at Lowe's, all the cordless stuff over there. They make the Menards cordless power tools. They've even helped design and OEM a lot of the power tools that you use every day. So let's jump into it with the Skil Power Core 20. This is their 20 volt tools. Now, these are all over at Amazon because they're the ones doing the deals on this. So first up, we've got the combo kit. This is going to get you in the 20 volt brushless. Now, the 20 volt comes in brushed and brushless. The 12 volt is just brushless, but this is a brushless combo kit. This is your core kit right here. We got the drill driver with a nice metal chuck on it. We got a nice compact impact driver there on top of that with not just your basic one. It's got some bells and whistles on it, as well as you can see down there. It's got all the little settings and whatnot. This comes with the Skil charger on top of that. You're going to get a 2 amp hour battery with this kit here. Now, this kit, if I'm not mistaken, does come with, in fact, it shows it right here. This battery does have the USB adapter in it. Some batteries do, some don't. I'll try to call out the ones that do. If I don't say that, then it probably doesn't. But this means you can use the batteries as power banks as you're traveling along, doing whatnot. Real nice flexibility with that. Nice chargers on these. Great. I mean, I have several of the Skil power tools. I will say this, Skil has sent me some, but I've also bought several of these items myself, probably more of the set myself than I have had them send me stuff. Now, that said, we got this one for $129.98. Where else are you seeing a brushless 20 volt combo kit at that price? All right, everyone else is like, rigid, everyone else, and this is in that same kind of league as like you're seeing that solid prosumer kind of stuff, that's that middle of the realm kind of thing. So we got here, if you want just the drill driver, we have it for $69.99, $70 here. You're going to get the battery with it. I don't believe it comes with a USB charger, and you've got the base charger. Now this is at $70. If you want to bump up, $10 more will get you the charger, get you the higher end charger, and it'll get you the battery that does have the USB port in it as well. So I would say for the better charger, faster charger, and the USB, I would probably go that route myself. But hey, it's your money. So $79, looking $80 on that one. How about this? We've got the brushless 20 volt 6.5 inch Circ saw with the better charger. And look at this. It's got, not only does this have, talk about USB adapters, this comes with the USB piggyback, turns all of your 20 volt stuff into a USB. You gotta like that deal for $99. No change involved, just $99 even. That is a fantastic price. I will say with this, some of these prices here, all of them are good prices. Some of them are great prices. Some of them are fantastic prices. Like this one, the going rate on this one has been bouncing between like $145 and $190. This is $99. That is a fantastic deal if you've been wanting to get one of these saws. Now, how about this? We got this combo kit for $149. You're getting the drill driver, and you're getting the Circ saw, and now you don't get the little USB piggyback thing, granted, but you are getting the charger with that. Now, check this out. If you were to buy that separately, what was it? We're looking at $80 on that. The saw was it $99. This is $150. You're saving huge over that. That's just ridiculous savings on this. Clearly Black Friday. I don't know if I quite call these unicorn deals, but there's maybe some coming up that might qualify. Here we go. One-handed recip brushless, $99 with the charger, with the battery on top of that. And yes, it is the USB battery on top of that. So there you go. That one, what is that normally going for? It's going for like $130, I think, is normally the price on that. We're dropping $30 off of that. 22%. That's a heck of a savings. We got the Skil recip. Now I want to be careful on this. This is a brushed recip. Okay. This is not the brushless. It's a decent recip. It's a solid recip. Just, fair warning on that. But $69 down from $89 on that. You're getting the charger and the battery with that. How about this? We got another brush tool. We got the Jigsaw here for $69. This is, cordless Jigsaw with the battery and the charger combo kit for $69. That's a fantastic deal. But hey, you're like, but Bear, I want the brushless. Give me the brushless. We got the brushless Jigsaw also for $99. It's going to come with a couple blades. You're going to get the power pack. By power pack, I mean the battery. You're going to get the charger with that. And yes, it seems like all the brushless stuff really likes to throw in that USB feature as well. You can't blame them for that. That's a nice feature on that. And then last of the 20 volt, we've got the what do you call it? The Orbital Sander here. Now this is also brushless. Now again, the Bear, I've been down on cordless sanders. Not my favorite thing in the world, but if you need it, you definitely want to get brushless. Here's a perfect option. It's got a great filter system. It's got a great charger. It's got the brushless. Does it have the USB? Of course it has the USB. $118.50. Now that's not the best deal here. That's just one of the good deals here. Normally this thing is running about $140-ish, $140 and some change. It's a decent save. It's 15% off from that. All right, let's jump over to the 12 volt. If you've been around the channel, you know I'm a huge fan bear of the 12 volt tools. Here is the drill driver. Now I'm going to put up on screen here if I can remember. I took a picture with the Hercules 12 volt and with a standard, in fact it's the Master Force standard full size. So this is not, the 12 volt isn't like super compact. It's reasonably compact. It's about the size of like the Makita compacts and stuff like that, maybe the DeWalt Atomics. So it's kind of a compromise in there, but it's a nice smaller, lighter system. And remember, all the Skil 12 volt are brushless. So and most of them do have the USB. So this one, USB on it, you're getting the charger, you're getting the battery, all of that for $50, $60. Then we get the impact driver. This is a fantastic little impact driver. I really got to say, I love this thing. I have both of these. $70 on this one. You're getting the batteries. You're getting two, not one, but two of the 2 amp hour batteries. Yes, they are the USB batteries, and you're getting the charger with that, the jump charger as well. Remember, the jump charger is if you're completely out of power, and you're like, I'm so close, I just need some quick power just to finish the job. You throw it in here, you hit the quick button or the jump button, 5 minutes later, you got enough power to finish your job. All right, $70 on that one. I'm gonna have links to all of this stuff down below. How about this? The combo kit. Now this, you saw I bought this February 17th, 2021. So earlier this year, wow, it feels so long ago, doesn't it? Anyway, it's $115. Is that the best price we've seen on this? No, it's not, but it's better than the price of these two items combined, other than the fact that you're going to get 3 batteries with that. So you have to weigh this. What is it? This is 70, this is 60, so that's 130, but you're getting 3 batteries, and for $115, so for $15, you get 2 more batteries, and you get 2 chargers. I might buy them separately, but anyway, just to show you the best price on this, I paid, $80 and 51 cents on this. For those of you who are always looking out for me, the address and stuff, that's my P.O. box. I'm not worried. By the way, if you ever want to find me, I'm either in Vegas or I'm up here in Livingston, Montana. I drive the big white 3500 mega cab or the blue Suburban. It's a small town. You can find me. I'm not trying to hide from anybody. Anyway, $113 we paid. Well, I gotta say that had also the tablet stand. We'll talk more, a laptop stand. We'll talk more about that. Anyway, moving on. If you just want the tool, you've already got the batteries. Let's say, hey, how about this? $69 on that one, $70 gets you that with the 2 batteries, and then you jump over here and you grab this for $30. That's $100. That's a full combo kit there. You're still getting 1 more battery than the base combo kit. That's a heck of a deal right there. All right, moving on. How about this? You get the drill driver with the brushless multi-tool. All right, and you're getting a battery. You're getting the base charger for $98. All right, let's move along. We got the right angle impact there, $69.90, $70. You're getting the battery and the better charger. That's the USB battery on that one. You're getting this one here. This is the multi-tool for $69. Again, brushless. You're getting the nice battery or the nice charger. It's got the USB battery on that. You're getting all the blades and stuff and the sandpaper and the little bag there for all your little parts and stuff. $69. This might be one of the almost a unicorn price on this. This thing has been jumping around, usually around $120. Average sale price is $100. every once in a while, it's dropped down to under 80. We're under 70 at this point. This is a rock star price on this one. On this too, $69. What does this normally sit at? This one flatlines at $100. Doesn't budge. Doesn't move. It's always $100. $69. That is a huge deal. And let's get into some of the cordless stuff. We got the Skil saw, Magnesium Southpaw saw. This is a great Circ saw, solid, and the Magnesium, of course, is what makes it lightweight. This thing is coming in at $119. Now, the normal price you're going to see on this, it fluctuates anyway between, 130. Actually, it's been up to over 140. And sometimes it's gone down, all time. Let's see here. It's gone down pretty low. But in the past year, what are we looking at? 160. This is about the lowest price, close to the lowest price we've seen in about a year. This is one of the good prices, not a great price. All right, next up, we've got, look at this thing. What an absolute beast of a saw. It is $413. Now, this is I think the lowest price or darn near the lowest price we've seen in the last 6 months. I think it hit fourth. Yeah, this is it. This is almost a unicorn price, honestly. Okay, not quite a unicorn, but this is the best sale price we've seen on this in some time. Normally around $500. This is a 10 1/4 inch saw. That's bigger than your table saw. Imagine having a table saw in your paw. My gosh, the damage you could do. Be careful with this one. It's an absolute beast. All right, next up, we've got the Skil recip saw. This is competing directly against like the Milwaukee's, Sawzall and all of those. These are all corded, remember that. So this is a good, solid recip saw here. Good vibration control, $89 on that. That's taken down 25% off. The price on this one's normally floating right around $100, so that's a decent price on this one. Next up, we've got the Skil Jigsaw. Okay, remember we looked at a couple cordless ones. This is a corded one, but look at that price. What is that? $29 on that? $30 for a name brand jigsaw that's got all your orbital settings and everything else on that. The price on this thing is normally $35 on average, goes up to $40 at sometimes. It's now $30. That's, again, a fantastic price on that. How about this? We got a Skil detail sander. Great little sander. We've talked about the cordless sanders before. This is a great little detail sander. $30 on that one. All right, how about this? Let's jump into some of the lasers here. Let me back up one. We've got this, the digital laser with line laser here for $29.99. We also have the red laser. This is going to be what, 65-foot laser here. That's the reach on it, $82.99. If you want the 100-foot laser in green, it's running $111.99. Not massive savings, but decent savings on all of these. Now, also, we've got the laser rangefinder, laser measurer, whatever you want to call it. It's 17% off, down to $50 on that. So I know a lot of people go, well, what about the warranty? You're buying off of Amazon. Is it going to be covered? Is Amazon an authorized retailer? So this is Skil's website. It says where to buy. First thing up, Amazon. So you can see that Amazon is an authorized reseller. Here's some of the other resellers. I'm going to have links down below. If you don't like those links, you can find any of these yourself there. I'm not going to guarantee they're going to be on sale, but this is the blowout sale that they're doing right now. If you want the laptop stand, I can't recommend it enough. Boy, it rescued a bunch of desktop space for me. Now I can put a bunch of miscellaneous junk under there rather than have to find someplace else for it to live. No, it really did. The best thing of all is it raised the monitor up to a level where it's like natural eyesight level. So I'm not craning my neck down and getting a headache every single day. So if you're working with a laptop, get it up off the desk. On top of that, if you've got like say a high power gaming laptop or something like that, this lets it breathe, cool down, and run at a reasonable temperature. So definitely check that out. Anyway, that's all the Bear has for you today. If you got any questions or comments or anything, put it down in the comments down below. If you're in the Skil line and you like it, let us know. If you're in the Skil line, you don't like it, let us know. As I said, Skil has sent me stuff before. I ranted and raved about it even before they did send me stuff. So you can go back and you can look at those videos and see, my honest opinion on it. I think the Skil 12-volt line is one of the best budget home gamer lines out there. The Skil 20-volt line in brushless goes everywhere from home gamer up to prosumer. It's a fantastic value. Great warranty on these tools. Anyway, you all take care. God bless. And as always, shine on.